Since The Flash Season 9 will be coming out soon, I will be doing a recap on each season on the days leading up. This is the recap for Season 4, which came out in 2017. Team Flash opens a portal, bringing Barry Allen back from his Speed Force prison. The portal's dark matter also gives powers to some people on a bus, so they become villains for Barry to fight. Harry Wells rejoins Team Flash, but Wally West leaves. One of the metahuman bus riders is Ralph Dibny, who gets stretchy powers and joins Team Flash as the Elongated Man. Now it's time for the Crisis on Earth X crossover. Team Arrow, the Legends of Tomorrow, and Supergirl go to Barry and Iris' wedding, but it is interrupted when a Nazi regime from Earth X attacks. Earth X is an alternate universe where the world is ruled by Nazi versions of Oliver Queen and Kara Zor-El, called Dark Arrow and Overgirl. They capture the heroes at an Earth X concentration camp and try to transplant Supergirl's heart to Overgirl to cure Overgirl's solar radiation poisoning. The heroes are broken out of the concentration camp by freedom fighters led by a hero called The Ray and his lover, Leo Snart. The freedom fighters send a robot called Red Tornado to strand Dark Arrow and Overgirl on Earth 1, and Martin Stein sacrifices himself to stop it. Kara flies Overgirl into space, where the solar radiation poisoning causes Overgirl to explode. Oliver kills the Dark Arrow. It turns out that Eobard Thawne actually survived his erasure because of his connection to the negative Speed Force, which is immune to timeline changes. Speaking of which, there is also a second version of Thawne who exists because he was able to escape after Barry took him back in time in order to undo Flashpoint. Back on Earth 1, Barry and Iris officially get married. It turns out that all the bus villains are working for Clifford DeVoe. The particle accelerator explosion turned Clifford into a super-intelligent thinker. Unfortunately, his body suffers from degeneration, so he starts taking the bus villains' powers using Ralph's body. Joe West's girlfriend, Cecile Horton, gets telepathic powers, which they use to take back Ralph's body and stop Clifford from taking over the world. Cecile and Joe have a baby, while Barry and Iris' future daughter, Nora West Allen, time travels to the present. That is the end of The Flash Season 4. Watch my recap of Season 5 tomorrow.